Hello friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now friends, and this video is very special, very special for all of BitTorrent holder. If you are a BitTorrent holder, so watch this video with the end, and if you are not a holder of BitTorrent, so leave this video now friends. As you can see here, and this video I will show you the live price prediction of BitTorrent, what's the change goes in the BitTorrent, and according to the price change, according to the price prediction of the BitTorrent, we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold BitTorrent. Friends, so before starting this brand video, you have to do a work for me. Please click the subscribe button right now and stay connected with the ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. Now let's start this video. If you see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of BitTorrent of the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, the farming period of the BitTorrent starts now, but don't worry about the farming of BitTorrent, because every night every night there comes a day. As you can see here, the changes is a negative, soon they are in positive. Wait for it and don't be afraid don't worry about the farming of the BitTorrent. As you can see here, the last 2 hour price prediction of the BitTorrent, the changes is absolutely bad, but don't worry, negative 4.05% chance occur in the BitTorrent and the last 2 hour, and the high price of BitTorrent is about $0.0106 to $6 is the high price of BitTorrent in the last 2 hour. And friends, if you look the price prediction chart of the BitTorrent of the previous last 2 hours, so absolutely it's still us that they are continuously farming, and now currently they are also in the farming time. So that's the live price prediction of last 2 hours. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what change goes in the last 1 hour. Let's see. As you can see here, the farming period of the BitTorrent is very bad for all of BitTorrent, but don't worry, as I told you in the start of this video, their good days are coming soon. Wait for BitTorrent good days and hold your BitTorrent coin with the last of this month. As you can see here, the average change of the last 1 hour is absolutely negative 1.07% socker, and the high price of BitTorrent in the last 1 hour is about $0.010454 is the high price of BitTorrent and the last 1 hour friends. Now according to the price prediction of the BitTorrent, what should you do if you are a holder, if you are a want to buy, if you want to sell? So my suggestion, if you are a holder, so hold your BitTorrent with the last of this month, because it's not a best time to sell it. That's why hold it with the end of this month. Maybe their good days are coming soon, so wait for their good days and make a good amount of profit. If you want to buy a BitTorrent, so it's not time to buy a BitTorrent, or please wait for a good time of BitTorrent. As the BitTorrent start jumping upward, so it is the best time for you to buy a BitTorrent. And if you want to sell it, so absolutely don't do this mistake in this time. Don't sell BitTorrent in this time, because they are also in the fast, so don't sell it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also share your opinion about BitTorrent. What we should do at this time. Please share your opinion in the comment box.